Hello there, fellow builders, Kubrick here, and today we're about to get our hands dirty. Literally. Let's face it, no matter how perfect your LEGO collection is, whether it's sets or MOCs you spent countless hours on, the dust will find them. Every single time. So in today's video, I want to share some tips on how I keep my LEGO collection clean, and what can you do to make cleaning your LEGO rooms a walk in the park. So let's get started right now. Ever since I started being a MOC designer, there was always just two tools I used to keep my collection and displays clean. And I'm not talking about giving my bricks a bubble bath, although this is a great way to clean up a bulk of pieces when you bought one which looks like it spent few years on the swamp and all the parts are dirty and sticky. No, here I want to focus only on assembled sets and MOCs that you don't really want to disassemble and dry in pieces for days. I'm talking about a simple makeup brush and a good old can of compressed air. This has always been the first line of defense against dust, and don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with that and I still use it regularly, but as the collection grows and so does the dust layer on it, I totally needed an upgrade. So I've reached out to a company that specializes in keeping your LEGO tidy called CleanMyBricks, and they sent me one of their vacuum cleaners for testing. But let's start with a quick unboxing, shall we? The packaging is solid enough, with a nice looking overall design, but what's more important is what we have inside. Of course, besides the main vacuuming unit, we do get a handful of accessories to use along with it. We have here a narrow suction tube that will be used most of the times along with a thin brush head, a wide one, I guess, for some furniture cleaning or picking up small pieces from the carpet, and we also get an additional filter besides the one that's already inside, an instruction manual, and of course a USB Type-C cable for charging. And here I have to say that the first impressions are very positive. The vacuum looks very well made, it's small, it's sleek, and it's not even as loud as I thought it would. The attachments are easily replaceable and the small brush seems like it will do a good job getting between studs and minifigures. But let's not speculate too much further and put this baby to an actual test, first with something simple. My desk of doom, where I got way too much dust under the monitors. A quick run on a few flat surfaces, a couple of small spots and my 3D printed lightsaber I keep on display, and all of that already gets my hopes up as it dealt with the dust very smoothly. So now, let's get to something more challenging. You should already be familiar with my Fallout MOC, but if you somehow missed it, I urge you to watch at least the final episode of my building series, as it is the biggest and most detailed MOC I've done so far, and that exactly should make it a perfect specimen for testing the CleanMyBricks vacuum. And as shameful as it is, it gathered a lot of dust from just standing here on my desk. Of course, I could use the makeup brush and some compressed air, but the dust and small pieces scattered around the MOC will just be flying everywhere, so let's see how the vacuum will handle this instead. And the first impressions are just perfect. The part of the MOC I cleaned first is looking way better, and even though the vacuum sucked in some of the tiny pieces I used as rubble, it isn't a slightest problem, as they are all stored separated in a container before the filter, so it's just a matter of putting them back on the MOC and we can get back to cleaning the rest. entire process took me about 20 minutes give or take, and that's more or less what the battery life was for the vacuum. I had to do a quick recharge near the end, so if I had to make any complaints, the battery life would be the biggest one, but other than that, the vacuum does its job very well. And just look on how much dust I got from just this one mock alone. Makes you flinch while being satisfied at the same time. Overall, I'm happy with this little nifty tool, and I would recommend it to any LEGO builder or collector, as it makes life much easier with minimum effort from the user. So if you are in search for a cleaning tool to help you with your collection, I can easily say that CleanMyBricks is the one for you, and you can get it by following the link in the description below. And when you're down there, make sure to use my code CubeClean for instant 10% of your order. Sweet, huh? But with all that said, make sure you subscribe to the channel to be up to date with the videos I post, and of course hit that like button if you enjoyed this video to boost that lazy YouTube algorithm. I hope to see you guys in the next video here on the channel, and until then, as always, just make sure you keep it brickin'.